Mustang GT350 is ready.
God damn, I love America. This car is officially as crazy as every horse girl I ever dated. Oh my God. Hold on, sweetie. That's a little much. Hell yeah, baby, go.
KW makes the perfect suspension for every demand. Find them in the description below. All right, you guys, so the 1966 Shelby Mustang GT350 is ready. The leak is gone, and I'm gonna get to drive this beauty. Wimbledon white, Guardsman blue stripes, classic as ever. It did in fact race in period, and it is restored flawlessly. The underside is gorgeous. And we're at a beautiful racetrack in California getting ready for the Velocity Invitational, which is coming up November 11th through the 14th. It's gonna be the greatest cars you've ever seen there, and an amazing event that I think is hugely the future of vintage motorsports. So today, I'm gonna bring you the 360 camera in this, and we're gonna rip it around the track, and I hope that you have as much fun as I am right now, and I wanna see you at this event, so let's go for a drive. Did you figure out a clever way to rip my balls off if I screw it up yet? Yeah. All right. Was it Jackass? Was that show back in the day? Jackass? Yeah, they did it with a guy's tooth in a Lamborghini? Yeah. Got it. You know what? I think I forgot to turn the, is the master on if it's up, or does it gotta be?
No, the master is the switch down. It's counterintuitive. It's not gonna switch down.
So I gotta get my ass out and turn it on.
Can you not reach?
All the way to the outside?
Oh, no.
These are all up right now, but the car's not on. So
They're all down.
Oh, they're all down.
Yeah,
Oh. That's right. I forgot it's backwards.
Yeah, I don't know why. I gotta fix that.
Perfect. All right, you guys. Well, here we go again. So this is a beautiful car of Matt's. Obviously, want to take really good care of it. We got oil temps up, water temps up, so it's happy in there. Just got to let it come into it, get used to it. Obviously, driving a bunch of stuff today, but every car has its own personality and vibe. And, you know, you always got to be vigilant in case something's off. So, here we go. Oh, it's a pussy cat. Oh, this is so great. God. You guys, there is no way for me to know right now it isn't 1966. Wow. This is gonna be fun. Too much fun. Oh yeah. Sweet car. Very period feeling. Not crazy build, just lovely. Good car to race, good for the track. Oh yeah, very nice. Let's see how it takes a set. Not bad. Lovely, lovely car. Oh, I could get used to this. Oh, it moves good. Gonna go. Oh boy, that's a little odd. All right, all right. Pulling a little. Oh boy, come on, baby. Whew. Brakes are a little funny. All right, so we're gonna be ginger with the brakes. They're a little walkus today, so can't really go diving in as hard as I'd love to with this sweet, sweet Mustang. But we're gonna wheel it good, wheel it right.
brake early here. Gonna be real nice to it. Brakes are a little funny, but that's the personality of the time. That's what we got to work with, and that's what we got to make the most of. So here we go. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. All right, I'm gonna whoa it down earlier. I don't want to go going ripping it in fourth gear like a monster into this corner with the brakes dancing all over the place. Yeah, brakes are a little weird, but that's all right. Such a sweetheart. Oh God, you just gotta love this classic American racing iron. It does not get any better than this. Just does not get any better. All right, baby, you're dancing. I know. Okay. Well, it's getting a little nervy. Well, sweetheart, if you want to dance, we just got to know where to dance. But you want to dance in the crazy places. Tell you what, this 60s Mustang is a girl that likes it crazy. Oh, my God. That makes sense. It's a Mustang's a horse. This car is officially as crazy as every horse girl I ever dated. Oh my God. Hold on, sweetie. That's a little much. Yes. Woo! Yeah. That's why you date horse girls. Oh, sweet. Very sweet. All right, baby. I know. You're a little crazy. I know. Come on, run. Yeah. Okay. All right, sweetie. I know you're crazy. I get it. All right. You want to dance? Let's dance. Hell yeah, baby. Go. You crazy thing. All right. I know you're all over the place. All right. Well, let's just do what we got to do here. All right. Baby, why you got to make me work for it? Why you got to make me work for it? You know I like it like that. Hell yes. Hell yes. Sweet. All right, I know. You're crazy. I get it. Would you watch the World Rally Challenge? You want to do that? Woo! Hell yes. God damn, I love America. Woo! All right, we're gonna be nice to this engine. I'm not even giving it full throttle, and she is sweet. Gotta remember, not my car, but we're gonna let her dance a little. Oh yes. Oh yes. All right, baby. Yes. Oh man, I love this. All right, you crazy horse girl. This is a crazy corner. Don't make it too crazy, all right? Be gentle with me. Not too gentle. You know I like it. Yes. Oh, I know how you like it. Ah, you like it like that, huh? Water temperature's good, oil pressure's great. She wants to run. Yeah, boy. Hug it in there. Oh, I get you. Yeah, you want that, don't you? Oh, sweetheart. All right, don't be too crazy now, woman. Yeah, get in there. Yeah! Woo! That's where it's at. Oh, get in there, sweetie. Oh, you are a naughty girl. Oh, damn, I love this. One more lap, guys. Too much. Come on. No. I want that gear. Yes. but think it's the 60s, and you're just hucking it in there with the guys. Imagine Dan Gurney, this is exactly what he did back in the day. Jim Hall, Mark Donahue, Barnelli Jones, everybody sliding on bias, flying tires, American muscle, hell yes. Oh man, so damn good, so good. Oh, I love you. You are a sweet car. Baby. Oh, goddamn, I love drifting in this thing. Modern racing is dumb. This is where it's at, baby. Hucking in. Oh, sweetheart. Love it. God damn it, I love this car. Woo! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Woo, little much, little much. Come on, baby. Oh, that's why we like torque and bias fly tires, don't we? Oh, you are sweet. Oh. Oh, I know, honey. No, no, no. That's enough for one date. We'll bring it back another time. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, wow. You know what? That Parnelli Jones car, the 69 Trans Am Mustang, awesome. Just killer, big, nasty. Took a good set. When I got in this, I'm thinking it's more civilized and it's tamer. And, you know, it really wanted to kind of squirm around in the braking and get weird. You know, the brakes could use a little love and figuring out. But as this thing warmed up and you feel what it is and you get confident in what you got, oh, you gonna let me have a gear, sweetie? Don't want to go in gear. Crazy horse girls. We had to stop sometime. It was a good while it lasted. Don't put up a fuss. We just gotta go back and have a nice day, okay? Come on, it's all right. Come on, come on. Just go in gear. No, we're both looking stupid. I know, you're a horse girl. You get a good time, you don't want it to end. Yes, I get it, I get it. What is that? Hot girl bummer anthem, turn it up and throw a tantrum. That's what this car is doing. Listen, get it. I get it. I get it. But we gotta go back to the paddock. Jesus Christ. Ooh, there's a gear. Reverse though. Oh, there's a gear. Okay, all right, sweetie. No, you're nice, I like you. Let's try it again. All right, all right. All right. We'll have fun again, sweetie. No, it's all right. It was a great date. I had a good time with you too. Yeah, no, I think you're real nice. Yeah, no, you're real nice. I like horses too. Can you imagine if I was some poser with a paddle shifted Ferrari or Lamborghini at a nightclub? What's that? You don't like those people either? I know. They can't drive. Well, you guys, that was it. That was the ride in the Shelby Mustang. And initially, it's just so beautifully restored. And I'm thinking, this is a pussycat. It's just so nice. It's kind of civilized. You can drive around. That I got into a little harder. And I think the brakes were balanced a little bit too far to the front, maybe just a little off because it was starty and dancy. And when I started leaning on it, you know, those bias ply tires, it feels so good to lean on it, slide, get kind of sawing at the wheel, getting the butt end to stick out and let it dance and let it work. And that's what's so awesome about these era of race cars to drive. And that's why when you watch Goodwood Festival of Speed, you see all those guys sliding around sideways, and it's so awesome because that's how they're fast. And that's what makes it so fun. But when I started to get after it, heat came in right, and the brakes got a little nicer. I realized, pony cart? That makes sense. It's a crazy horse girl. Yes. And that car is every bit as crazy as all the horse girls I dated. And it was fun, but maybe we'll leave those horse girls metaphorically and literally in the past. But goodness gracious, was this Shelby Mustang fun to drive. So you're gonna see this car at the Velocity Invitational, November 11th through the 14th at Laguna Seca. I hope to see you all there. It's going to be an amazing time to spectate, so fly into town, go to Monterey, have a good time there, go to the track there, Laguna Seca, and come watch this car. Find your favorites through history, root them on. You're going to love it. Hope you guys will subscribe. As always, click that bell and look forward to seeing you next time.
Well, a huge thank you to Crushproof Tubing Company. Since 1949 in Macomb, Ohio, they've been manufacturing custom rubber and plastic tubes for every industry imaginable. No tooling or mold costs, fast and free custom samples, and American-made quality is what sets them apart. But for me, I'm most excited about their exhaust evacuation kit. Different modular pieces and their convoluted custom hoses make it so that I can adapt any car, truck, or motorcycle with an internal combustion engine to get those exhaust gases out of my shop so I can keep working in safety and comfort. But beyond just that, they build a variety of hoses for a custom OEM world. You'll see stretchable drain tubing and bellows, as well as agriculture, medical, and military. So again, guys, Crushproof Tubing Company, crushproof.com, and go down in the description below to see where to get your free samples for industry or your exhaust tubing.